What's good, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I want to show my face and just say hi to everybody. Thanks for subscribing, for watching me, and also I'm gonna make my face a little bit smaller, yeah, and we're just gonna start doing here some analysis, yeah. So basically what do we have here? It's very simple uptrend, yeah, and what I'm expecting right now, we're kind of consolidating in the Asia. Right now we did make a high, a low, and a high. Yeah, very simple. Right now what I'm gonna expect is to come to grab these lows. The reason why you're gonna ask me is very simple, guys. Let me just delete that. Here is a break and retest. Here is the ICT. Here is the EMAs. And here and all of these lows are supply and demand traders. So basically there's a lot of bias in this move, yeah. But me personally, I'm gonna take a short against all of them, because me personally, when I used to take all those trades, I used to lose all the time, most of the time. So I decided to take shorts right here. If just in case the price action we're gonna get to this zone, I'm gonna be short. So we'll catch up later. And basically I'm in the way how you see it. So it's very simple concept, guys. Yep, how I said, I'm a word man, so I did what I said, that's what I did. So the price action literally just came here. Right now it might gonna bounce a little bit and then move to the downside, because we still got basically price to come to the EMAs and then to come here to grab this low. So I do really hope the price action we're gonna do, but I just tired, to be honest, to still talk about what the price action we're gonna do. I enter here and my stop loss is somewhere around here, so it's gonna be like something like that. And let's just see, yeah, it's around here. So I'm gonna look for those lows to be taken in. We're right now moving in profit, so it's pretty decent, but we will see how the price action will eventually end up. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so how I'm saying, most likely the price action we're gonna hit our stop loss for this time, so it is what it is, but hey, it's no problem. I'm gonna reopen right here if just in case the price action will gonna hit me by stop loss, and I'm gonna put my stop loss above this candle. So we will see how everything was gonna end up. Stay tuned, guys. So unfortunately we did get hit our by stop loss, and basically this push is kind of heavy, but I did reopen my trade because that's my trading plan, and usually either I'm taking one trade and taking portion of losses, either I do take two trades and just say and forget. It depends. It's all about daytime and how do I like the setup, but we will see how this trade will gonna develop. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, I think this is the one of those trades which are just getting cooked from the market, but it is what it is, my man. This is the reality of trading. That's why I love to share with you guys, because the trading is actually like that. You can find any guru on internet that will gonna show you like crazy results, crazy analysis, beautiful entries, beautiful exits, and how everything goes smooth. But trust me, that's what they are facing every single day. They just do not show you that, guys. But I do really show, because to be honest, first I just journaling my journey, and at the same time I can share with people who really thinks the trading is like, you know, when you have to find the holy grail, that strategy that will make you like feel comfortable, and you never will gonna have those type of trades. But those type of trades is gonna be very often. You just have to you know, switch your mind a little bit. The reason why I'm saying that is just because think on the same point that you will get when you get like the profitable trade, yeah, and it goes straight to the profit, yeah. It's just, you know, you love that. So same stuff could happen like opposite way when it goes straight to your stop loss, and as simple as that. So yeah, guys, just let's see how this trade is gonna end up. I'm not gonna touch it, I'm just gonna leave it how it is, and I do hope the price action at some point will reverse. Sorry about that. Will reverse and will move towards our TP, but if not, then just gonna stop me out. I'm gonna share with you, and I'm gonna move for the next day and next trade. Stay tuned, guys. It is what it is, but unfortunately we did get stopped out on both stop losses. So yeah, guys, there's nothing what we can do about it. We just have to be fine with that and just take the losses how it is. I tried my best, I analyzed, I hope, I thought that the price action was gonna move in my direction. Unfortunately it did not. So the only thing what is left is just to take the L how it is, and that's it. And just see you guys on my next one. But if you did like this type of video, guys, feel free to like, comment what you think, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.